Now, relief efforts are in full swing in Haiti after a devastating hurricane slammed the country last week. Local officials say the massive storm killed at least 1,000 people, and the death toll may rise with reports of a cholera outbreak. Meanwhile, the U.S. has said it is temporarily stopping Haitians from being deported. Earlier, I spoke by phone with the VOA's Jean-Pierre Leroy, who is in Port-au-Prince.
I got a chance to go to the emergency operations center. It's like you have a FEMA in the U.S., but the buildings are different. You have one-level buildings, so we have a lot of people working at the operations center. You can see all the trucks leaving the place and going to those regions affected by the hurricane. So food, medical supplies, I think it's a situation that they are trying to handle properly there. And the most important to understand is the structure that they put in place at the operation center. You have the Ministry of Interior working along with OCHA, an instance of UN that coordinates the humanitarian aid.
Given that the infrastructure has been very severely damaged, and especially coming on the heels of the earthquake that devastated the country, how are those organizations getting the needed help to the people?
They let OCHA coordinate the NGO assistance, and OCHA works with the government. They canalize the assistance, and the communication was difficult. But now they are trying to repair the road, to clean the roads. It's very difficult, but step by step, they are getting there. So the trucks could go. Some region accessible, they reach them. But for the other ones that are not accessible, they use boats, the helicopters of the U.S., the Marines are doing a great job there. The minister, the UN mission, they're helping too. So they try to reach those regions. So far, I can tell you, we have some villages in the south, like Grand Dance. The villages are cut from the other parts of the Grand Dance. The main concern now in Haiti is cholera, with 356 people infected. Health structures have been damaged by the hurricane.
Jean-Paul, this morning I saw a statement from the interim president where he appears to downplay the role that has been played by the international community. What have you heard, and what has been the reaction?
Unfortunately, I didn't hear that comment from the president, but I can tell you the Minister of Communication yesterday was very grateful to the assistance of the international community. I think the government has one voice. So far, they are grateful. Without all those friends of Haiti, it would have been difficult for the government to get along with that tragedy, to get along with that big, huge problem that Haiti is facing now.